In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Asana to review projects, manage tasks, and create weekly updates more efficiently. To get started, open ChatGPT and activate the available Asana integration or connector. This is the step that allows ChatGPT to securely interact with your Asana workspace. So if you do not see your projects right away, this is usually the first thing to check. Once the connector is enabled, sign into Asana and authorize the requested access. As always, take a moment to review the permissions being requested so you understand what information ChatGPT can access and help you manage. After that connection is in place, ask ChatGPT to show your active Asana projects. This gives you a quick overview of what is currently in motion and helps confirm that the integration is working properly. From there, request a list of tasks assigned to you for the current week. This is a simple way to gather your workload into one place without manually opening each project. Next, ask ChatGPT to organize those tasks by deadline, importance, or project, depending on how you prefer to work. Organizing by deadline is useful when you need to focus on urgency, while sorting by importance can help you identify the tasks with the biggest impact. Grouping by project is especially helpful if you are balancing work across multiple teams or initiatives. Once your tasks are organized, use ChatGPT to identify overdue or high priority tasks. This can help you quickly spot what needs immediate attention and reduce the risk of missing something important. You can then ask it to create a weekly project status report. This is useful for team updates, manager check-ins, or simply getting a clearer picture of overall progress. At this point, review current sprint progress and possible risks. ChatGPT can help summarize blockers, delayed items, or patterns that may affect your timeline, making it easier to prepare for planning meetings or status discussions. If you need to add new work, tell ChatGPT to create a new Asana task. Then provide the task name, project, assignee, due date, and description. Be clear and specific here so the task is created accurately and is useful to whoever will work on it. You can also ask ChatGPT to update or organize existing tasks when needed. Before anything is finalized, review all proposed changes carefully and confirm only the ones you want applied. Finally, save useful prompts as templates for future task management so you can repeat this workflow quickly and consistently whenever you need it.